Hello students, welcome back to the science class. As you know that we have completed the exercise, means we have completed the question answer from the exercise of chapter 10, and we have already started a new chapter, chapter number 11, force, work and energy. In the last video that has been uploaded, and you must have seen the video that I have just completed some portions of the chapter. I have explained some of the portion of the chapter. Today I will also be doing the same thing. We will just do the chapter 11, force, work and energy explanation. Okay, so this is page number 67 and 68. Actually we'll start from 67 once again, because we have already completed some simple machines explanation. No, we know that what are simple machines. I have explained you before in the last class that simple machines are the devices that make our work easier and faster. So simple machines are of 6 different types. There are 6 different types of simple machines. They are lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge and screw. Okay, let me write the page number here. It will be benefit for you. This is page number 67. Simple machines. There are six different types of simple machines. Okay, number 1 is lever, number 2 is pulley, number 3 is wheel and axle, number 4 is inclined plane, number 5 is wedge, and number 6 is screw. Okay, so what we have learned, that simple machines we have learned previous class, means simple machines are the devices that make our work easier and faster. So there are 6 different types of simple machines. They are lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge and screw. We have learned what is lever. Lever is a simple machine to cut the things, to lift weight, open lids. Pulley, we have also learned that pulley is a simple machine used to draw water from the well. Inclined plane, we have learned that inclined plane is used to load heavy barrels, sacks, etc. onto trucks. It is basically a slope over which a load can be pushed or pulled easily. A slope place. Then screw, we have learned a screw is used to hold the things together. It is basically a nail with grooves cut into it. We have learned up to this much in the previous class. So today we will start from page number 68. I'll write the page number here, page number 68. Okay, today's topic is wedge. A wedge is a simple machine used to cut things. So wedge is a simple machine used to cut things, for example axe, knife, etc. It consists of 2 inclined planes that join to form a sharp edge at one end. Then wheel and axle arrangement, wheel and axle. Next is wheel and axle. wheel and axle. Okay, wheel and axle arrangement is made up of wheel and a rod. Rod passes through the center of the wheel rotates around the rod. It helps to move heavy objects. A steering wheel and bicycle pedals are examples of wheel and axle. Please remember the example of each of the simple machine. So steering wheel and bicycle pedal are example of wheel and axle. You can draw the picture also, wheel and axle picture, in your science copy. Now we will learn work. So I will rub it now. We will learn now page number 68, work. Okay. Work, move your chair. You can easily move it. Now try to move a wall. The wall does not move. You applied force in both the activities. Actually, you are moving a chair. You can do it easily, but you are moving a wall. How can it move? It is too heavy for you. Okay. The wall does not move. So you applied force in both the activities, but work is done only in the first case, because on applying force the chair moves but the wall does not. So work is done only when you are moving the chair. Actually the chair moves due to the force applied. So work is said to be done only when a force applied on a body makes the body to move in the direction of the force. So when is work done? Question can be, when is work done, or what is work? Okay. So work is said to be done only when a force applied on a body makes the body to move in the direction of the force. Now there is one MCQ there. We will solve that one. MCQ. Same page, page number 68. Number 1. Tick the correct option or correct answer. Which is an example of wedge? A pair of scissors, screw, axe. It is axe. Number 2. When a force changes the position of an object, dash is said to be done. When a force changes the position of a work is said to be done. Okay. Now comes energy. Okay. Energy is the ability to do work. So what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. We need energy to do anything from lifting, pushing or pulling to breathing, laughing or talking. We need energy to live. Sources of energy. Most of the energy on the earth comes from the sun. Some of the sources of energy are wind and water. So main source of energy is solar energy or the energy of the sun. So here I will learn. Question is, what is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Okay, source of energy now we will learn. This is page number 69. Okay. Sun. The sun is the main source of energy on the earth. The energy that you get from the sun is called solar energy. I have told you. Plants use solar energy to make food in the green leaves. Solar energy is used in solar cookers and solar heaters for cooking and heating. Solar energy can also be changed into other forms of energy like heat energy, electrical energy and light energy. Now come wind. Energy from the wind is called wind energy. So energy from the wind is called wind energy. It is used to move the blades of the windmill. This helps to move the shaft of the generator, which in turn produces electrical energy. Now water. Flowing water also has a lot of energy. It is called water energy or hydro energy. So flowing water, remember, flowing water also has a lot of energy. It is called water energy or hydro energy. Energy of water falling from dams is used to rotate the turbines of the generator to produce electricity. Electricity produced by the energy of flowing water is called hydroelectricity. So remember, electricity that is produced by the energy of the flowing water is called hydroelectricity. Now change of energy. Energy can be changed from one form to another. Burning of fuels like wood, coal and petrol converts chemical energy present in them into heat and light energy. When we switch on an electric bulb, it gets lighted because the electrical energy of bulb changes into light energy. So remember, when we are switching on, suppose in your room you are switching on the bulb, you are just put the switch on position for the electric bulb, it gets lighted, the electric bulb or the tube light gets lighted because electrical energy changes into light energy. So electric energy of the bulb or electric energy of the tube light changes into light energy. No more, this can you find in page number 69. Kinetic energy is the energy of an object due to its motion, and potential energy is the energy of an object due to its position. So remember those two types of energies. You also have to learn this in higher class. Also you are learning. You will learn there. So kinetic energy and potential energy. What is kinetic energy? Kinetic energy is the energy of the body or object due to its motion, and potential energy is the energy of the object due to its position. Some other forms of energy are magnetic energy, chemical energy, nuclear energy and atomic energy. Okay. So we have completed the chapter, and there are keywords. You will learn these keywords as one word answer. Suppose force, a push or pull applied on a body. Force of friction, a force that tries to stop a moving object. Devices that make our work faster and easier. Simple machines. The ability to do work is energy. Okay. So we have completed the chapter today, and now we will do only the tick the correct answer. Okay. This is page number 70 from the exercise. So let me write here keywords is your one word answer. One word answer. You will learn as one word answer. Okay. Now we will solve the exercise. Only number A today. This is page number 70. Section A. Tick the correct answer means the MCQ. Number 1. A push or pull applied on a body is called energy, force, work. It is your force. Number 1 is force. Number 2. Simple dash is a device that makes our work easier and faster. Is it machine? Is it appliance? Is it generator? It is machine. So simple machine is a device that make our work easier and faster. Now number 3. Under what conditions a moving object can change its direction? By reducing friction, by increasing friction, by applying force. It is by applying force. Number 4. A pair of scissors is an example of a wedge, inclined plane, lever. Of course it is lever. We have learned that one. Pair of scissors is an example of lever. And number 5, last one. Hydroelectricity is produced by the energy of flowing water, wind, atom. It is flowing water. Flowing water. Okay. Okay, that's all for today's class, students. Today we have solved the number A, section A, from the exercise of chapter 11, that is force, work and energy. Hope you will watch this video in the YouTube channel. You will search for my video and you will do the exercise in your book at home. Okay, so you will go through the chapter well, because it's a very interesting chapter, and in the next class we will solve other question answer from the exercise of chapter number 11, that is force, work and energy. Till then, goodbye to everyone and thank you.